Oh my God! Balik ko. Yes! Oh my God! Wow, yan! Yes! Oh my God! Okay ka lang!
Tanginang yun.
How yan? Oh my God! Gaga na! I-push yan!
So for today's video, I'm doing again for today's video. We're going over there to watch a basketball. There's a basketball competition between my youngest son. So we're walking. See, look at the ate. That's Ate Mia. She's doing her makeup. Titinapay. She's doing her makeup and
Malapit na tayo?
oo. So mag-aano kami, magsusupport. Ito yung bahay ni Kuya Romy. Ay, binago na pala. So manonood kami. Ito yung bahay.
Ayun na yun?
Oo. So from there, liliko ka ng ganarn. Ano ito? Subdivision ba? Ano siya? Not yet fully developed. Slight lang. Unlike before na ano, hindi pa ito sementado. Yan dyan. Pagliko ng ganarn yan, oh. So, we have to watch and give a full support to my youngest son and their team. And his team pala. So, from our house till here, it's like 20 minutes of walking. So, ganun. Dito ba yun? Dito nga yun.
Saan?
Dito. Kasi ito yung putol na daan eh. Yun nga, may ingay dun oh. Ang dami na palang bahay dito. Ayun oh.
Ay, ito pala yun?
Dati kasi wala pa naman ito. Ang ganda oh. Parang sakura. Ano ba yan? Sakura ba yun? Sakura. So look at the road here. See? There also. Ang ganda. Ano? Ay, ang ganda. See? Bisa mo.
Ba yun?
They're calling the names na. I can hear the announcement, Char. So, ang youngest son. My youngest son. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Bilisan mo. I'm so tired. Shucks.
Stop! 9-5. I got to pin. Into the El Matino. Anya Kamakan. Time ready. 3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Ha?
Hindi nila pinalaro yung isa, taga metro lang daw. Hindi mo napin yun.
Paano yung sirip? Ito na daro. Nagro.
Oh, sige. Yung sapat ko nila.
Leche.
Short ko lang. Pag nagamit nila, palang naman.
Pinilian pala. Paano di ka marunong mag-ano? Saan pala sila pumunta? So that's them.
Back to the game.
Parang di ko makita yung ano. And we're just another piece of the puzzle.
Bago man sila. Number 10.
Lagis na yan.
Foul. Foul number 21.
Yung alam sino, alam mo dadalo ko ng
Galaro ka ba? Ang pala bilis.
Penalty.
Silong hiba magkano? Ah, yan.
First one.
Yay, wala mo.
Score 9-15.
Kanila yan. Oo. Dito kanila.
Second block.
Shots.
Again. Same ball.
Be. Check. Oh, shucks.
Line ball. Counting time out.
Sino lamang? Kabila? Ilan?
79.
9 sila dumang? Oh my goodness.
Back to the table. Number 7. Pick. Pinasa. Number 5.
Talawin mo!
Back to the ball. Foul again. 4 minutes and 40
Sabi ko
seconds.
sa dalim mo, Michael.
Score 9-7. In favor of
Oh my goodness.
Number 1. Number 7. Number 8. Number 12. Ipinasa.
Shucks.
Yay.
Number 10. Number 10.
Ouch!
Foul by number 10 point. First, personal foul, 30 foul.
Jab, 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 jab.
Number 1.
Score.
Number 1. Ipinasa number 10.
My goodness.
Number 7. Ipinasa number 1.
Di ba nakashoot yun?
Jab,
Number 24. Sabi
jab, jab. Score. Score tamo. 11.
11.
11, 9 pa!
Boundary, 1 minute and 47 seconds. Number 10,
Shucks.
Number 22. Number 7.
Oh my God.
Number 7. Number 5. Number 5. Now, running violation. Number 5. Number 5.
Bagal saan lang.
Number 7. Yun! Number 7. Running violation. Last 1 minute. Foul. Foul number 4. Penalty. Sorry, personal foul. Penalty.
Saan na sila pala titibendo?
Sabi?
Nang? Ni Papa mo? Saan nagkilaros? Doon yun.
Sebelah sentro.
Ilang pagmunta niyo dyan?
Sentro.
Siyang sanay.
Lawan Paris. Pinakap. Lawan. Dua pertandingan. Lawan Paris. Samurai. Bagi betul. Last 46 seconds. Lagi peluang. Lagi peluang.
Oh my God!
Foul. Foul. Foul by number 24. Second personal foul. Running foul penalty.
Umiyak.